Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west in Stewart Town towards Rio Nuevo, same as Rio Nuevo, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road, popularly the Northern Coastal Highway. Turning onto Fernandez Avenue. If we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Rio Nuevo, same as Rio Nuevo, to Tower Isles, Prospect, White River, Ocho Rios and other places. On the right is Huddersfield Avenue, which will take you onto Mango Valley Road. On the left is Rio Nuevo Terrace, same as Rio Nuevo Terrace. Entering Huddersfield. Fernandez Avenue ends, and just ahead is Rio Nuevo Terrace. Going right on Rio Nuevo Terrace will take you towards Mango Valley Road, but we have made the left towards Marrakech Drive. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.